We have a clear vision for the future. And today we go one step further, and our new friend Amy is showing you our desire and our vision for the future. So say hello to Amy, and I'm really proud that we can show today here in this sneak preview. But before I come closer to the car, I want to tell you a little story first, because when you talk about autonomous cars, you have new chances. Yeah, there's a new chance to develop a portfolio. In the past, we had a portfolio based on segments. Yeah, but when you have an autonomous car, you can go closer to customer demands, and we call that use cases. Yeah, and so we thought 2 years ago, let's start with use cases instead of segments, and the first result was the icon, and the icon you can see over there, this is the use case of long distance, means city-to-city transport. Yeah, so this is tailor-made for this use case. And the next one was the racetrack. So we did the PB18, which is pure driving pleasure. You can even put the seat into the middle of the car, and it's a pure race car, and the pure fun of driving and enjoying this. So this was case number 2, and tonight we have the third one. This is this one here, and that's the urban car. Yeah, urban is very important and fits really well to this city. I explain later what I mean with that. But this is not the end of the story. Yeah, we will tell it on, and very soon you see additional use cases. But tonight we talk about number 3, and this is the Amy. So when I come closer, it's very special because when you have urban concepts, yeah, they end up very often as very boxy cars, yeah, and boxy cars fitting good to a city. But we think it's not fitting to Audi. We want more. And when you take a look on the highest building here in Shanghai, this is not a simple box. Yeah, it's very special. It has a very special shape. It's very dynamic in a way and very special. So this car is fitting very well to that because it's not only a box, it's more. It's dynamic, it's bold, but at the same time, it's huge from the inside. Yeah, as we heard already, designed from the inside out. That means really big inside, and you can experience that later when you have the chance to go in. You see how big it really is. Yeah, we gave a lot of effort on that. But doing a car nowadays is not enough. You have to think about the service and the environment around it. So this is why we said we have to develop for your mobile devices a special app. And this is another thing you can experience later. You can check out the app. And this app is for 3 reasons. Number 1 reason is mandatory for sure. This is the access to the car, number 1. Number 2 is your personal space. Everything what comes from yourself, like your favorite music and everything you need for leisure time or for working space. So this is your personal space, number 2. And number 3 is for sure how you tackle the urban traffic and everything what you need to know and how to handle that. We have good experience this morning. We heard already it's not easy.